Hi everyone, this is Dr. Maria de Betancourt from LOONAWELL in Zurich. Thank you for being with me here today. When it comes to our organic dog treats, and if you're wondering, can I combine these different treats throughout the day? The answer is simply yes. Go ahead, they're actually made for that. You could, for example, give a multivitamin treat in the morning and a superfoodies in the afternoon. And why not a salmon delight loaded with omega-3 fatty acids in the evening? There is no particular sequence advisable, in fact, so you can choose what you believe is best for your dog.